The next installment in Fujifilm's renowned X-Pro line has become a source of intense speculation and excitement among photographers, enthusiasts, and camera reviewers alike. Interestingly, the upcoming camera may not even carry the expected X-Pro 4 designation. Several reliable sources suggest that Fujifilm could skip the number 4 entirely, due to cultural associations with the number, and either move directly to X-Pro 5 or align the name with its newer X-series cycles, potentially calling it X-Pro 6. While this may seem like a minor detail, it immediately sets the tone for how fluid and unpredictable the next phase of the X-Pro lineup appears to be. The lack of clarity over the name, coupled with scattered reports from analysts and hints from insiders, paints the picture of a camera still very much in development, with no concrete release date yet on the horizon. Over the course of 2025, the timing of the next X-Pro has been the most consistent topic among rumors. Multiple sources, including Daily Camera News and Fuji X Weekly, agree that an X-Pro successor will not arrive this year. Earlier predictions had placed the camera in late 2025, but those expectations have now shifted toward 2026. Fuji X Weekly, a respected voice in the Fujifilm community, suggests that early 2026 is far more realistic than a 2025 announcement. Adding to this, K&F Concept has gone as far as to state that Fujifilm will likely not release an X-Pro successor at all in 2025. While this may initially seem disappointing to loyal fans, it aligns with a broader trend Fujifilm has been demonstrating over the past few years. The company no longer rushes through X-Pro updates and appears to be waiting for a truly significant evolution rather than a minor refresh. The consensus emerging from these discussions is that the next X-Pro camera is at least a year away, and this is no longer fringe speculation but the prevailing expectation. Much of the technical speculation around the upcoming X-Pro revolves around the sensor and processor combination. Reports suggest that the camera will feature a new generation of Fujifilm's X-Trans sensor paired with a more advanced processor. According to Daily Camera News, this pairing would deliver faster readout speeds, improved dynamic range, and stronger low-light performance. Such a combination would effectively bring the next X-Pro's imaging capabilities in line with Fujifilm's latest X-series bodies, like the X-T5, while still adding refinements unique to the Pro line. Additionally, there is talk of a potential 40-megapixel resolution, matching the latest sensor generation found in Fujifilm's newer APS-C cameras. Although unconfirmed, this upgrade would make sense in the context of a competitive APS-C landscape and Fujifilm's pattern of gradually integrating its latest sensor and processing technologies into the X-Pro line rather than introducing entirely new components. Another feature long requested by the community is in-body image stabilization. For years, the absence of IBIS in the X-Pro series has been a compromise for photographers, particularly those using longer lenses or shooting in low-light conditions. Multiple rumor outlets now suggest that IBIS could finally appear in the next X-Pro camera. This possibility is technically feasible, as Fujifilm has successfully implemented IBIS in more compact bodies in recent years. Incorporating stabilization into a premium flagship like the X-Pro would represent one of the most significant upgrades in the series history. The challenge, however, lies in maintaining the slim rangefinder style profile that defines the X-Pro design. If Fujifilm can engineer IBIS without compromising the handling and proportions that fans love, it would be a highly impactful addition for both street and professional photographers. The design of the next X-Pro is also under intense scrutiny. Rumors indicate that Fujifilm is planning a magnesium alloy body with improved weather sealing, offering better durability without significantly increasing weight. Some sources suggest the inclusion of USB-C power delivery, bringing the X-Pro series in line with modern power standards. The hybrid viewfinder, arguably the most iconic feature of the X-Pro system, may receive meaningful refinements. Higher refresh rates, improved parallax correction for the optical portion, and smoother transitions between optical and electronic modes have all been speculated. These upgrades would modernize the viewing experience while maintaining the charm of the dual optical/electronic approach, which has defined the X-Pro series for over a decade. If implemented successfully, this could become one of the defining improvements of the new generation. Despite all the optimism, there is a growing sense of unease within parts of the Fujifilm community. On platforms like Reddit and dedicated forums, some users worry that Fujifilm may no longer see the X-Pro line as a priority. Observers point to the extended gap since the X-Pro 3 and note the lack of firm leaks compared to other Fujifilm bodies, suggesting a shift in focus. Others argue that the delay is intentional. The next X-Pro cannot simply be a minor refresh. To justify the premium price point in the long development period, Fujifilm must deliver something genuinely new. The successor must retain the tactile and philosophical essence of the X-Pro series while feeling significantly updated to meet the demands of a rapidly evolving camera market. This tension could explain why Fujifilm seems to be taking its time with the next release. Based on the most reliable information available, it is now clear that the Fujifilm X-Pro 4, or whatever name the company ultimately chooses, will not arrive in 2025. Development is ongoing, and Fujifilm appears to be preparing something more ambitious than a routine upgrade. The next X-Pro may include a new sensor and processor combination, refined viewfinder technology, IBIS, a stronger body design, and modernized power delivery options. Until an official announcement is made, all these details remain speculative, but the overall pattern is emerging. Fujifilm is focused on making a significant step forward rather than delivering an incremental update. Design leaks and concept imagery hint at some of the physical changes. Reports mention a slightly larger grip for improved ergonomics, a more conventional rear screen instead of the hidden flip design of the X-Pro 3, and a reinforced top plate with weather sealing. Some sources even suggest that titanium may return for the top cover, although this has yet to be confirmed. The articulating screen remains uncertain. Many Fujifilm shooters prefer the simplicity of a fixed or tilt-only panel, particularly for street photography. While design refinements may appear subtle at first glance, they could have meaningful implications for handling, comfort, and overall usability. The release date remains the largest unknown. Some rumor sources suggest a late 2025 launch, while others believe early 2026 is more realistic. Multiple interviews with Fujifilm executives have confirmed that the X-Pro line is not being discontinued. The company wants the next model to represent a true step forward, rather than a minor refresh. If the leaks and speculation hold, this could make the upcoming Fujifilm X-Pro 4, or whatever it may be called, the most important APS-C camera launch in recent memory. Classic styling, an upgraded hybrid viewfinder, a modernized sensor, IBIS, next-generation autofocus, and improved low-light performance would combine to make a worthy successor to the X-Pro 3. In conclusion, the next X-Pro camera is shaping up to be a significant step forward for Fujifilm. It will likely bring a new sensor and processor combination, in-body stabilization, improved viewfinder technology, and modernized ergonomics and power delivery. The name itself is still uncertain, and the anticipated release is now widely expected in early 2026. While some details remain speculative, the overall picture is one of careful, deliberate development aimed at producing a camera that truly honors the X-Pro line's legacy. For those invested in Fujifilm's unique approach to photography, the long wait may ultimately deliver a camera that feels both familiar and revolutionary, a rangefinder-style APS-C camera ready to meet the needs of modern photographers without sacrificing the character that made the X-Pro series iconic.